and staying at King's House because thousands of Jamaicans from all across the island joined the swearing-in ceremony on Tuesday. The ceremony was marked by great pomp and pageantry and powerful reflections from JLP supporters. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The young and the not so young traveled from near and far to be at King's House Tuesday morning.
Look here, the comer them could have off and puff 1 p.m. a swearing today.
From a splash of green to a bold fashion statement from these people who told me they are JLP supporters.
Oh Lord, let me tell you something. I love Andrew Holness gone to bed. And this is a very special occasion for me. It's my first. I've never been to a Prime Minister's swearing in. And this one is very special to me, coming from Manchester Northwest.
Because I'm celebrating my 60th birthday and I always want to come to this function.
For them, this swearing-in ceremony is one for the history books and will be a day they will not forget anytime soon.
He's the only Labour Party leader that wins 3 times. Also, my MP, Revel Williams, 3 times in Eastern. So 3 terms, I will give them 3 love.
You know, I'm here today to join with others to nominate our Prime Minister. He has done so much and he deserves the 3rd term and he do get it.
Hardworking, young, and he went through so much for this election and I'm happy for him to come through. So I just come out to celebrate his achievements.
By 2:30, hundreds of people started to file in, filling chairs quickly and making their presence felt. Among the crowd, familiar faces, some who have been attending swearing-in ceremonies for decades, like renowned Rastafarian activist and cultural consultant Barbara Blake Hanna.
This is about the 5th time I've been to one, but I've been alive for many prime ministers, and it's nice to be part of history always.
Why do you keep coming back? What does it mean for you?
I enjoy it. I enjoy coming to function like this, and I love this Prime Minister.
This one, means a lot to me. Yeah, I was very involved during the process, and I'm happy to see the end result. And I'm here to celebrate with the Prime Minister and the whole of Jamaica.
And for returning members of parliament like Olivia Grange, Tuesday's ceremony is also symbolic for personal reasons. Not only has she been a part of Dr. Andrew Holness's consecutive 3rd-term legacy, but...
So this would be, I would say, my last term as a Minister of Government, looking forward to the next 5 years, when I will say to the next generation that I have confidence in you and I'm looking forward to you continuing the work.
Yes, today is a day that we celebrate and forget about the negative things that try to derail this country. I mean, the 3rd term, the people of Jamaica have spoken. They have decided to choose Jamaica.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.